So today, we will try to visit 6 7-Eleven stores near me to get the Lapras promo card. This is 2 days after its launch. So do you think we can still find one in Makati area? So let's see. So our first target is the 2 7-Eleven stores along the Arnaiz Avenue. So we're going to park here first. And that's it. That's the first store. You need money first. And let's go. Pwedeng makakuha. Ilan na lang yan? Isa na lang? Anim. Dalawa lang. Magkano isa sa inyo?
269.
269. Ba't iba-iba presyo ng iba-iba 7-Eleven?
Saan ka sir mas mahal dito?
Ice Bridge 260. Oo, mas mahal dito. Pengi akong promo card. Kasama, libre yan eh.
259 pala to sir?
Oo, yun nga sabi ko eh. Iba-iba. 259 na.
518. May 18 ka sir? O
Wala.
1, 2. 1, 2. Woo! One, 2, 3, 4, 50, 70, 80.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
May receipt ba? So based on the map, there's one more 7-Eleven store across this street. Let's see. Let's go. Ate, meron kayong dito nung yung Pokemon na collab ng 7-Eleven tsaka Pokemon? Magbenta kayo? Oo. Wala. So next, let's go to the other side near Chino Roses Avenue. I think there are actually, I think 6 7-Eleven, but we'll just go to 4 near us. So let's park first here inside. So we're going to pass Don Bosco Church for our shortcut. Okay, then we need to cross and go to the first 7-Eleven near Chino Roses Avenue. Here we go. Let's go. Ate, meron kayo nung Pokemon sa 7-Eleven?
Wala kami nabigyan.
Sa may Don Bosco. Saan ba yun sa may Don Bosco?
City Motors.
City Motors. Sige, salamat. So before going to City Motors, we actually saw one 7-Eleven along the Chino Roses. So let's go there first. There. Cross the road.
Then
Let's go. Excuse me. Meron kayo nung Pokemon sa 7-Eleven? Ubus na? No! Saan kaya meron pa 7-Eleven? Wala daw doon eh.
Sa gilid.
Dito?
Sa gilid.
Dito wala. Wala daw.
Sa kanto.
Meron pa ba dito? Ah, sige sir. Thank you. Ate, meron kayong Pokemon dito? Wala.
Selected lang.
Selected branch lang. Thank you.
Sa may app na.
Ano, makabili na ako dun eh. Thank you. So, the last one is the City Motors branch. Let's go. Hopefully we can at least buy one more. So always be careful while crossing the road. Mercury Drug, not 7-Eleven. Here is City Motors. Finally, we found it. The City Motors 7-Eleven branch. Let's go inside.
Ano po, buy two same po ng 10 pesos. Ito lang na. Init ko na po. Thank you, sir.
Ate, pabili ako ng Pokemon. Yung may promo card yan, di ba? Tatlo. Ako na lang mamili. Sige. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ito. Magkano to, miss? Sige. Yan.
May reward card ka, sir.
Anong reward cards mo?
7-Eleven reward card.
7-Eleven lang. Wala.
Sa 220.
Thank you.
While stock lasts. Should be available at 7-Eleven Singapore, Malaysia, and Philippines. Just buy one Stellar Crown for one Lapras promo card. Hurry or it will be gone forever. Follow and subscribe for our La Pros Booster Pack opening.